application, it will pretty much ask you this question here. This is very important based on what you want your answers to be and support. So as you can see here, just select the cat which you want to use based on their descriptions. So I'm just going to select this one here as well. You can give your cat a nickname, or just give it a cat and so forth. So this is pretty much the home screen as it relates to the application. Can pretty much ask the AI anything. As you can see here, the plus icon here as well. Can upload images and pretty much go ahead in your gallery section there. And if you're tired of typing, you can use the voice note option here as well. And this is pretty much where you type or pretty much ask the AI anything. And they do give you suggestions, as you can see here, as it relates to what you want to ask the AI, and if you don't have anything in mind. So in the journal section here, pretty much documents whatever you do on the application. You can add it here. You can tap on the plus icon here. Let's say, how was your day today? You can start writing about that and so forth. You know what I'm saying, guys. So that's really pretty much it for that section. And you can either adjust how was your day, if it's very bad, if it's good, if it's not too bad, it's not too good, not too bad, you know. And as well, we can adjust the date and so forth. So once you have done that, you pretty much can go ahead and tap on the save option here at the top, and it will be saved at the top there. Pretty much you can go ahead and check on it and so forth. So you can tap on the three dots over here to edit it and also delete that section here as well. As relates to your report, will give you a rating as it relates to your conversation and so forth. Nothing much. And in the settings option, you can go ahead and get the approved subscription. And as well, they do offer redeem code if you can purchase it somewhere else, as you can see here. And as well, you can go ahead and choose a different cat, as you can see here. The first or the starting of the video, I've selected the video option. I can pretty much select this option here, which will automatically use both personalities of each cat. And as well, you can set the personalized option to pretty much give a description of how you want the cat to be and how whatever the case is. So that's really pretty much it for that there. You can see you can go ahead in this section here as it relates to changing the cat name and so forth, and the original name of the cat. And as well, you can enable other features as it relates to locking the app with a PIN. Once you enable this feature, it will ask to create a PIN and so forth. So all you have to do is just enter the PIN, and you don't want to forget that PIN. So you can open the application. So anytime you're going to open the application, it will ask you to enter that PIN. So yeah. And as well, you can also back up your data when using this application. You might see some of these features here saying Pro. You may need a Pro subscription for this. So to get a Pro subscription, you can either go in the settings option and select this one here, or you can, if you're already in the chat section here, you'll be able to tap on the upgrade option, and it will pretty much give you the section where your subscription page is. So as you can see here, the prices for the subscription: a monthly, 1 day subscription, a weekly subscription, and a monthly subscription, and pretty much everything that you'll be getting along with the subscription. So that's pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and we'll see if I can help you out.